The Midiplus AKM322 mini MIDI keyboard packs 32 responsive, velocity-sensitive keys into a compact body that is easy to fit on a desk or toss in a backpack for mobile production. Its mix of an endless encoder, 3 smooth rotary knobs, and clearly lit function buttons gives you hands-on control over software instruments and effects without feeling cluttered. Built-in arpeggiator options let you quickly generate rhythmic patterns and evolving sequences that feel surprisingly sophisticated for such a small controller. Chord and scale modes are especially helpful for beginners and producers who want to sketch ideas fast, since they keep your playing locked to harmonically correct notes. Dedicated transport controls make it simple to run your digital audio workstation from the keyboard itself, so you can record, loop, and navigate sessions without reaching for the mouse. Because it draws power directly over a single universal serial bus cable and works with both personal computer and Mac, the AKM322 is genuinely grab and go for home studios, classrooms, and live rigs.